circles around the defense. These fans have never seen such a display of speed. And our bunny cheerleaders are speechless. Jake takes another well-deserved water break. Duncan uses Enu to get a better look at the game. And we're getting a better view from above thanks to the Twizzlers blimp and its furry pilots. Think is the most valuable puppy. Vote for the Viewer's Choice MVP now at animalplanet.com/puppybowl.
Still goes on commercials.
It's approaching the 2-minute warning on the clock. And Eden takes a paw to the snout. But this linebacker is quick on his feet. Let's see that in super slow motion. Just look at that form. Still flying out on the field. Crazy Jake has gotten a second wind. Oh, and he takes out Baba on the 10-yard line. Bandit tries to stop him, but he's just too quick.
He's hyper. If only he could figure out how to pick up that ball. Whoa, and Duncan goes for the slide. Well on his way to being crowned most energetic puppy this year. Second quarter, it's halftime.
That's the end of the half.
The end of the half means it's time to get set for the world-famous Bissell Kitty halftime show.
Kitty!
After all the canine clobbers we've seen so far, this field has turned into a furry mess. But the puppies have met their perfect match with the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Vacuum. Designed with the pet lover in mind, its superior suction and unique pet hair removing tools are the best defense to tackle all that ground-in fur. The Pet Hair Lifter and Pet Turbo Brush work like magnets to attract pet hair, leaving this celebrated turf spotless. Don't go away. The Kitten Cuties are about to take center stage for the spectacular Bissell Kitty Halftime Show.